the latest in the investigation. I want to bring in right now Matthew Horace, a former executive for the ATF. Good to see you.
Good afternoon, Frederica.
So in your view, why release some of the logs, the transcripts, to the public?
Well, I think the public is clamoring for information, and it's part of DOJ's crisis information strategy to ensure that the public knows exactly why law enforcement did what they did. As you know, probably by day 3, the issue became, why did Orlando move in when they did? How come they didn't move in faster? Why didn't they pull out an assault on the place as soon as they knew he was inside? How come it took until 5 a.m. to do it? And I think these audio tapes will give the American public at least a little glimpse into why things took as long as they might seem to have taken.
And then there's the surveillance video inside the nightclub, which investigators have said throughout the weekend they're poring over. However, those images may never be released to the public. What are you hoping the logs will reveal, perhaps about the killer?
Well, you know, we already know what the killer said, but looking at those logs and the videos will show us what the killer did. And those are going to be much more graphic, much more gruesome, and those obviously shouldn't be released to the public, but will be used to analyze the situation for the weeks and months ahead.
And we know that the FBI looked into the shooter's background on 2 separate occasions before this actually happened, but nothing came of it in order to prevent this kind of tragedy from unfolding. So does this say something about flaws to you, or reveal more about how hard it is to stop something like this before it starts?
Frederica, very challenging. You know, I also saw where Attorney General Lynch indicated that although this gunman went into a gun shop, he didn't fill an application out. So therefore, he did not leave his identifiers and descriptors with the FFL. Had he done that, it would have given us a lot more information to go after the information and determine what might have occurred in the future.
All right, Matthew Horace, good to see you. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
See you. Thank you.